Hey tubers, and welcome back to another video, this one featuring a pair of Athearn Genesis GP9s. These particular units were equipped with the new ESU Loksound V5 decoder. We installed a Nixtrains 21-pin motherboard inside of both units, as well as a ESU Power Pack Stay Alive device in order to prevent nuisance shutdowns and loss of sound and power. These particular units, in my opinion, are probably some of the best made GP7 or 9 models available across any scale and from any manufacturer. And then coupled with the new Loksound V5 decoder, we're just more than impressed. The lead unit features basic LED lighting as well as a rotating beacon effect on top. And then the second unit has just plain Jane lighting on both ends. What I've come to really appreciate from Loksound is the ability to map a whole series of different function effects relating to motor control. Loksound calls this feature or set of features full throttle, and it can be broken down into 5 different types of motor control. There is drive hold, there is straight to 8, there is also a cruise feature, and the cruise feature allows you to be controlling the speed steps of the locomotive, but the locomotive's prime mover will automatically drop down to notch 1 when engaged. The opposite is true of straight to 8, where regardless of the movement of the locomotive prime mover will notch up to 8. And then you also have discrete control over manual notching. So really an excellent suite of motor control there. And then ESU has also brought about 3 different types of braking rates that you can enable on the decoder. So enough of me, let's step back and give a look-see as to what these particular units can do. Here we go. Alright guys, a little bit of what the new V5 Loksounds are all about, with motor control, different types of braking. Hope you enjoyed what you see. Come on over, check us out over at tonystrains.com. Leave a comment below. Anyways guys, hope you enjoyed. We'll see you later.